And they're off. Early lead is taken by Naughty Girl by the rail. It's Naughty Girl in the lead. On the outside is Birak Island. It's Naughty Girl by the rail. On the outside is Birak Island. And running in third is Batang La Paz. Moving up on the inside is entry number 4, Just Dreaming. And at the far turn is Naughty Girl, followed by Birak Island on the outside. Batang La Paz moving up on the inside is Just Dreaming. And at the last bend for home, it is still Naughty Girl, followed by Birak Island on the outside. Moving up on the farther outside is entry number 5, and that is Batang La Paz. And at the top of the stretch is Naughty Girl on the inside. In between horses, Birak Island, Batang La Paz on the farther outside. But it's still Naughty Girl by the rail. It's Naughty Girl by the rail. Batang La Paz on the farther outside. Naughty Girl, Batang La Paz on the outside. Running in third is Birak Island. And finally at the payoff line is going to be Batang La Paz, Naughty Girl, Birak Island, Aero Top.
5264.